Hey, what's up, IG Garage family? Imagine this, you're stepping on the gas, expecting that turbo boost to kick in, but instead, your car feels sluggish and the check engine light comes on. You plug in your OBD2 scanner and bam, P0237. This code is all about your turbo boost sensor, and if it's not working right, your engine won't perform the way it should. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly where this sensor is located, how it works, and how you can fix it to get that turbo boost back. So what exactly is P0237? This code refers to the turbocharger boost sensor A circuit low. Basically, your ECU is detecting a low voltage signal coming from the boost pressure sensor, which means it's not reading the turbo boost pressure correctly. And that's a problem because the engine relies on accurate readings to adjust the air-fuel mixture and give you the power you need. Alright, now let's talk location, because this is super important. The turbo boost pressure sensor, also known as the MAP sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor, is usually located on the intake manifold or close to the turbocharger itself, depending on the vehicle. Here it is. This little sensor is responsible for monitoring the boost pressure in your intake. If it's faulty or sending incorrect signals to the ECU, you're going to have performance issues, and that's what triggers the P0237 code. You'll want to check for any loose connections or damaged wiring as well as inspect the sensor itself. Now, how do you know you've got this issue? If you're dealing with a P0237 code, you'll likely notice sluggish acceleration, a lack of power when you hit the gas, and of course that check engine light. These are signs that your turbo isn't working at full capacity because it's not getting the right information from the boost sensor. Fixing this isn't too hard. First, inspect the wiring leading to the boost pressure sensor. Look for any damaged or corroded connections. If everything looks good but the problem persists, it might be time to replace the sensor itself. Here's how you remove the sensor. Simply unplug it, unscrew it from the manifold, and replace it with a new one. After that, clear the code with your OBD2 scanner and take your car for a test drive. If the check engine light stays off and you're feeling that turbo boost again, you've solved the problem. That's how you fix a P0237 code and get your turbocharged car running smoothly again. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more DIY car repair tips from IG Garage. And before you go, check out these other videos. First, check out our video on P0004, where we dive into fuel volume regulator issues, and don't miss our P0087 video on low fuel rail pressure. These videos will give you more insight into keeping your car in top shape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.